Welcome back to the channel. This is Najee with Najee and Brit TV. So in this video, I'm gonna be making a custom A-pod pillar gauge pod for my daggone charger. I ain't feel like buying one, so when I had, an extra one, I got gifted. So we're gonna take this right here, dual gauge pod. I kind of roughed it up already, and I'm gonna put it right here. Let me get this up here the right way. So this is pretty much the look I'm going for right here. I'm gonna take this down and I'm gonna glass it in. But you know me, I'm kind of creative, and I wanna go ahead and make my own little flavor to this little thing right here. So I just want y'all to, see the vision. And then I'm gonna take this down and go ahead and glass it in. If I could pop this bad boy out. All right, so I got the first step done. I'm just gonna glass this, put resin on it right now. I'm gonna let that get hard. And then I'm gonna come back and sand it down smooth to prep it for me to glass the pod on there. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got this little piece roughed in. I want to show y'all what I'm working with. I'm gonna take some rivets. I rivet it in the corners. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna glass it all in. And then we're gonna move on to the next step. I got everything roughed in. I got it riveted. So now I'm about to start the glass work. Got it riveted in there. I plastic welded these daggone tabs in there. So when I put the gauges in there, I can screw the backside to it. But you get the idea. Even cut the little holes in the back so I can get access to the wires and all the other good stuff. We're almost there though. Now I'm about to fiberglass it. Stay tuned, y'all. It's gonna be a class out the fiberglass on there. It's a little rough, but we gotta sand it. Take its shape though. Take its shape. Alright, y'all. Finally got her sanded. Now I gotta glass this bad baby in. Yes, sir. She coming along. She coming along. Custom pod, baby. One of a kind. Got the body work done. Got it all filled in. Alright, y'all. I got her primed in. Everything looking smooth. I'm about to clean her up and go ahead and throw some color on it. I want y'all to stay tuned now because it's gonna be epic. I'm telling you, you're gonna like this color a lot. Or the whole project in general, because I ain't never seen nobody do it before. So why not be the first?